So here's how to sell something in Facebook Marketplace. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Marketplace in your Facebook. Alright. Then from here, you need to simply tap on the profile icon on the top right side corner. So simply tap on that. And then from here, firstly, you need to select the location. So for that reason, firstly, select the location option. Now you need to select your location from the like here. Where is my location? So I will select that and simply tap on apply. Now the location has been set. Then you can simply now do the listing thing. So for that reason, you need to tap on your listing option. Now simply tap on the create listing. Then you can select the item that you're selling. So you can select one item, vehicle, home for rent or sell event. So I'm selling a single item, so I will select this one. So it will take some time. So firstly you need to add some photos, so I will select the photos and I will select the setup picture like that, and then I will type in the title. So I'm selling right now is a monitor, so I will write down the monitor and the pricing, the actual pricing that I am wanting. So I'm wanting like 2000 kr. Then the condition, like I have suppose you have used your computer or laptop or monitor for 6 months. So if it is looks new, then you can select this, or you can select it as good. So I will select as it good. Then you can write it down the more details, like how the computer or monitor is working, which is the brand, which brand it is, and many more other descriptions. So if you have any guarantee, if you have a warranty actually, so if you have any official warranty from the company, you can write it down from here. And also you can write it down like if you have the box of the monitor or not. All right, so write everything description in the description. Then you can also write it down here, the brand, the screen size, refresh rate, resolution. You can write it down from here. So let's say you can sell something in Facebook. So after that, simply tap on the publish and you will done. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.